I'm down here with Charlie and Harry installing some of the Porcelain Styleclad onto a raised planter which was installed early last year, and it was actually K-rendered to finish, but we decided to show off some of this Styleclad porcelain that we're now stocking over here at Kebur. We just want to show you a quick installation method. Basically the surface that we're sticking onto has been, at the moment we're putting the tile adhesive on there, flexible external tile adhesive, and also we've smeared some of that to the back side of the Styleclad, which is going to be stuck on, as you can see there. So that just gives you real good adhesion to the surface. So we've covered each section of each side of the planter with a different colour available. Excuse the mess, but it is a work in progress. The jet wash will be coming out later. This is this is really nice. You know, it's very popular at the moment to have your Corten steel raised planters and water features. This very dusty at the moment, but it's a lovely finish, sort of mimics the Corten steel finish but using the porcelain tile. Put the tile the right way round before sticking it on. This has been cut down to fit where it needs to go. So it's quite a flexible product and can be cut to suit. And there you go, that will just be tweaked into position, and I will probably take a couple of pictures to include on the video once it's all been cleaned off and dusted down, just to show you how good it actually looks when it's finished and grouted. Alright, thanks guys.